Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to resolve if the Realtek HD audio manager is not working or displaying on your Windows computer 10 or 11 computer. Let's fix that guys. Go to search menu and type device manager. Open it. Go to view and you need to click on show hidden devices, click on it. Show hidden devices, click on it, and now one file appears guys. Go to sound, video and game controller, click the arrow mark and Microsoft streaming service proxy, right click on it and click on update driver. Search, browse my computer for driver. Let me pick from the list and you need to update guys. You want to select sound, video, game controller, click on anything here and type yes. Scroll down guys, click here audio, video and game controller, click next and click on next. That's it guys, Windows has finished installing the driver for this device. That's it for today's video. Hope you guys like it. Thanks for watching my video.